Hello and welcome to another goodsoupHD tutorial. In today's video, I will show you an easy way to fix your PlayStation 2 by cleaning the disc laser. The supplies you will need are rubbing alcohol, a screwdriver, and Q-tips. First, what you need to do is remove the screws from the bottom of your PlayStation 2. Once you remove all of the screws, you're going to want to take the PlayStation and throw it out the window. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I want you guys to like this video, favorite it, add it to your playlist, subscribe to my channel, and then flag it for spam. I would do scam/fraud. That's just what I do. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.